Oh my God, what is he doing? The driver of the silver Honda cut off Ashpia Natasha, causing her to slam on the brakes. When she didn't hit them, the driver then put the car into reverse.
Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound and welcome back to another episode. Today we are introducing our newest sponsor, 70My. 70My has generously chosen to sponsor us with this wonderful dash cam. Now, if you hang till the end of the video, you'll find out what you could do to win your actual own dash cam. However, if you don't want to wait to win it, you could certainly go to the link in the description below and you could just purchase one. Look, this is almost a $500 dash cam with all in, but I assure you it's worth it. So let's get into it. So this is what the kit comes with. It comes with this really nice lens protector, so you're not scratching it up. It comes with the 4K hardware kit for the 70My. In addition to that, it comes in this beautiful black box. So let's open everything up one piece at a time and go from there. Here is the hardware kit. Now, I've already taken the plastic off of this one because I needed to confirm something, and all the parts are in there. So here's one wire, here's the other wire, and you can actually see this will hardwire directly into your fuse panel. So this way, you'll always have power going to it with this little 70My pad that goes stuck underneath your dashboard. So you could definitely have that security of a 6.5 Wi-Fi on your car, so it could report directly back to you in real time what's happening with your car. Now, the unboxing. Dun dun dun. How to unbox this, but at the same time, I'm going to be showing you something here on the screen that shows you why you need a dash cam in the first place. Having been the victim of a couple of hit and runs in my life, a couple of people coming by and scratching my car. Look, you know, as much as you want to, crap on Tesla and whatnot and what's going on with their cars, nobody deserves to have their car broken into. And you can see by this one right here, and this one right here, and this one right here, they all have the same thing in common. People will do anything to try to scam you out of your money. This is the 4K Omni. It redefines dash cam with 4K clarity, 360-degree rotation, delivering a premium driving experience and an aspirational lifestyle. And one of the selling points is the exceptional image quality. It's got dual channel recording, native 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 at 60 frames per second with no interpolation, so meaning no delays. The front camera is a Sony STARVIS, and it's the IMX678 technology, My Color Vision, Vivid Solution, 70 My Night Owl Vision for enhanced visibility. Now look at this. It comes in this really cool little case. Pull this puppy up and look at that. Whoo, baby. Now, this mounts to the window and this whole piece rotates. So it has facial recognition here that's going to say, oh, wait, this is motion detector, and it's going to show you and follow that person that's in front of your car. That's really cool. Now, as you can see, I'm reading from a script here. I don't like to hide anything from my audience. And the reason why I have the script is because it's their script. They're sponsoring me to do this. It comes with that, but it also comes with another cable, which plugs into here, and another camera. Look at this. I'm pretty excited right now. Comes with the 128 gigabyte SD card, which plugs into it. These little sticky things that go on your windshield to help you stick it to the windshield. And another one of these that go to the bottom of the unit in case you have to pull it off of something. This unit right here, this sticks to the bottom of your dashboard if you want to hardwire it for a 24-hour Sentry system. So this way, this really cool unit, which is right here, I'll show you. This actually rotates. See that? This rotates and it follows. It has facial recognition. It it has the ability to open and close, so it's put it right up on the windshield. It comes with a new lens, and it also comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. It also comes with this right here, which is 128 gigabyte SD drive. So let's get it installed. Oh, don't forget about the backup camera, which is kind of neat too. Now, as you're doing this, the instructions are actually on here. And to install it, it actually shows what to do. And this will stick to your windshield up here on the inside. So you're not sticking it right to the windshield. And then this piece on the back of the camera peels off, and this sticks right to here. So when you pull the whole thing off, you're not pulling this adhesive off, you're pulling this off. And open this up carefully. Do not put your fingerprint on it. And here we go. And I'm going to put it right in the center of the windshield. And there we go. Get all the bubbles out of it. I'm going to peel this off completely. And then that is going to go right in the center of the circles. So now it's installed. So what I'm doing is I'm actually using this little type of hook tool. If you have one, it's great. So what you want to do is just get in behind the windshield, just pull down gently. Now let's go into my Porsche, so I have to be super, super careful, right? So, and then unhook this, and then just push it in. So this way, this doesn't pierce the cable itself. So I chose right here to not go inside here on the inside of the window jamb. I decided to go to the outside of the window jamb in between the rubber. So this way I don't have a long commute coming back here on the cable, because I think that'll look just ugly. All right, so here's some cool features about this I really like. Number one, you could take a picture. Check this out. This is the cool part about this little feature. And now it's set. Calibration successful. Let's go for a ride and see it out, how it works. I like the shape of it. I like that it's unobtrusive. I thought it was going to be bigger than it actually is. It's really small and really compact and does not interfere with my field of vision, which is kind of nice. In addition to that, it has the rotating, basically security feature on it if you install that. I just don't have the technical skills to do that. I'm also not installing the backup, the back camera. And the reason I'm not doing that is because it's really, really long, the cable, and I have nowhere to run it in this car. And plus I don't have anywhere to stick it because the back of my car doesn't have the traditional glass. It has a mesh screen. So installing it there would be impossible. You know, this is a great little camera. It's, you know, you're driving along, having a grand old time. God forbid something happens, someone jumps out in front of you, someone pulls you over, you could show them how fast you were going. It's really good in a court of law. It's really good in an accident. God forbid you were to get into one. This is a Porsche. People try to race me all the time, and I get it. I'm not a big racer, so to me it doesn't really matter. However, some people just feel the need, like, oh, I really want to challenge this. And that's fine. You could do that, but I'm not a big fan of doing that. In addition to that, it gives you the security when you're outside of the car to know that nobody's messing with your stuff. I hate the fact that I have to park, you know, all the way down at the other end of the parking lot. It's great for getting steps in, but sometimes you just want to be able to run right in and run right out. And in a car like this, you really can't. You can't do it in hypercars. You certainly can't do it in your regular daily car. How many of you have come out to having dents in your car? It's just not right. But people don't care, and they would rather ding you and just walk away as opposed to taking accountability and doing something that they're supposed to do. This is such a nice new neighborhood that they just put in my community, and I do like driving through here because there's some twisty turnies and it's comfortable and it's easy to ride in. So this is pretty nice. I like the way it looks. I like the fact it was a really easy install. I am technically illiterate, and I'm able to figure this out. So if I can do it, you can do it. And perfect example of why you need a dash cam. Somebody like that. You don't know what they're going to do. They're driving kind of stupid. Oh, let me make a turn at the bottom of a hill, you know, honking their horns and whatnot. So this is a really good litmus test for this camera already, and I haven't had it installed for more than 5 minutes. All in all, it took me about 12 minutes to get it completely installed and hidden away behind all of that over there, because I just didn't want it to be visible, and now it's not. The only part that's visible is a very small wire above the mirror, which honestly, it's not a deal breaker for me, and it's certainly a ton of security in the car. So now the fun part, you could win this. This is $500 worth of dash cam. You could win this model right here, which I have one in my house, completely unopened. It's brand new and it's ready to be shipped to you, along with the extension power cord, with all of the other features on it, the additional lens, everything. It's a $500 giveaway, my biggest giveaway yet. So I'm sure you know how I'm going to ask you to do this. You want to make sure that you like, you want to make sure that you comment, and you want to subscribe. If you like, comment, and subscribe, by August 1st, I'm going to give a ton of people a ton of time to actually get through this. Then I'm going to pick the winner, and I'm going to ship this directly to your house. It's in my home, it'll come right from me, and you will win this. I've done a couple of giveaways on this channel already. I think this is the most exciting giveaway I've done in a long time. So if you want this dash cam, once again, like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, it's about the drive.